There is one machine the desert doesn't agree with, the Nissan Patrol VTC. Under the hood, the legendary TB48DE 4.8-liter Inline-6, 280 horsepower, 400 Nm of torque, numbers that look ordinary on paper until VTC work up and rewrite the rules. Valve time and control meets NICS and throttle response becomes instead soft sand. Torque hits early, steep climbs, power never taps out is what dominance felt like. Solid front and rear axis, a four-wheel drive system built to take punishment and ask for more. This is not just an SUV, it's a raw potential waiting for a driver bold enough to use it. And what makes the Patrol VTC even more special, it takes modification without ever losing its soul, loaded up with every upgrade you want, and it stays steady, dependable, ready for anything, whether it's Dune, race or a deep desert run. The Patrol VTC not built for the dunes, built to own them. Tax someone who needs this kind of power in their life.